Hey guys, just a quick video. This is a Suzuki Grand Vitara, 1999. So my blower on my Vitara was making a noise this morning, so I gotta check the blower and remove it. This little guy right here, it's on the passenger side. It had a rat. It's right there. Look, a lot of dust.
The kids don't want to go with me.
Okay. You're gonna be in YouTube.
Babe, no, I'm not.
Yeah. So you leaving? Okay. I'm on my tutorial right now.
No.
I am.
Well, you're gonna edit it. All this out.
Okay.
I love you.
Love you. So to remove this thing, you gotta go remove first. You gotta remove the glove box right here. Only has one screw here, and on this side you just push it in, and it comes right out. After that, you gotta remove this thing. I don't know what it is. I think it's like a computer or something like that. Remove all the harnesses. It goes like right here, and it has 3 screws holding it. Remove that thing, and then you proceed to. This thing goes on that hole. Goes on that hole right there, and it's only 3 screws holding this thing. 1, 2, and 3. 2 are easy to remove. 1 is hard because it's like against to the floor mat right there, so it's kind of hard. You gotta get like pliers. Electrical pliers were fine, or mechanical, or whatever. So remove 3, and then when you have it right here, just unplug this wire. This wire is that to turn on the blower. So removing this, another trick. This is the whole base right there, that white one. And on the back has that little nut. I screw it, make it loose a little bit. I didn't remove the whole thing. Just move, like make it loose, so you can like push this thing towards you, and you have a little more room to take this down. So that's it. I got clean it up. I got a rat inside. Just clean it up, put it back in. It's so easy, simple. That's it, guys. Thank you. It's the new Vitaras, or new Suzuki's had it's more easy because you just have to remove the glove box. It's just right behind the glove box. This has the frame, metal frame, and all those components in there, so it's a little harder, but it's easy. Thanks, guys.